Okay, so now let's do a small test. See, my mobile version 1 charger works. Sorry for the mess. Okay, let's see here. Outlets. I think I need to enable it. Okay, so that should enable the outlets. Keep outlet on, and yeah, I think that's good. So now, okay, so now it's working, and I just need to plug it to my car. Whoop. So, and as you see there, it's not connected, but now I just actually open the other one. Now it's charging. You can see it's flowing electricity to my Model S. Now, of course, I forgot the key, but it should be charging fine. So I'm gonna see how much I can charge this car for.